Hello. Okay, I think the white makes your work pop like crazy. I still don't think that these are good pieces for you. They look very basic, very like first class in graphic design, especially this stroke, drop shadow, etc. Um, I don't think you need it at all because you've shown throughout your portfolio that this would mean nothing to you. Like you could do that in a second. I mean, this is masterful. So you don't need to put in beginning work that's just going to bring you down. And I think it's great that you removed the backgrounds. They were not professional looking. You could go in and adjust the curves. I think there's sort of a blandness here. Is this color supposed to be white or is it sort of a tannish recycled paper kind of look? I wouldn't even ask except this part, the spray part is usually white. But yeah, you could go into Photoshop and adjust the curves, but the rest of your work, and I thought that here too, like this sort of jagged feathered edge caught my eye. Consider, just going in with that hard selection tool, the angular one, and chopping it off, zoom in, be really precise about it, and adjust the curves. So anyway, I was starting to say your work super pops off of the white. I think it was a good idea to take off the black. And it's a good idea to put this one first because it's weird and it shows creative typography, which is what you want. You want to catch somebody's eye. Good, good, good. I think you should put this one up towards the top because it's your best one, in my opinion. It shows great contrast, creativity, and it also shows master of the software. Website. I don't know. I guess they're going to get this off your website, right? Do you really need this? Something to consider. What's this piece? Oh, for a class. You don't need to say it was for a class. I would take anything associated with class off of your portfolio because you might have this in the works for a couple years past school. Nobody, it's not deceptive to say whether it was for a class or not. If they ask, you could tell them, but you don't need to say it was for a class because it looks professional. I like the green against the orange. This is a very strong piece. All right. I've said whatever about all of these. I think you've made great strides and very strong portfolio, except for this drop shadow one. Anyway, let me know if you have any questions.